Gondor garlic grinder machine. Stainless steel body. Fast cutting and effective grinding. Large diameter and fast feeding. User-friendly for beginners. Powerful motor for long-lasting durability. Large diameter inlet for fast feeding. Support long time continuous crushing. Stable operating mechanism. Effective grinding performance. Production capacity can reach 150 to 1,000 kilograms per hour. Wide range of application. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability. Precision innovation.